Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to the vlog. It's 10:15 and I've just had the most relaxing morning in the world. It was so needed. I took the day off of work today and I'm just relaxing. I'm binge watching Emily in Paris, honestly, and just caught up on some comments, got my video ready for upload today, and just having a really chill, relaxing day. I really needed this. I'm actually currently waiting for a call from an assessment center because basically I just woke up feeling super off today. If you guys don't know, I have costochondritis, which is like inflammation of my sternum and rib cage, and I'm having a flare up, but it's lasted longer than a week. Chest pain and shortness of breath and just, you know, all those things. So I want to go get tested just to be on the safe side. I'm just extremely cautious, especially with the way our numbers are going, and they're really going up, and we're in our second wave here in Ontario. So I just want to get tested to be on the safe side, and lines are crazy right now. They're like 8 hours long, but luckily the hospital I work at just opened up like a staff testing center, so I followed the process for that and like emailed them. I'm just waiting to hear back. They're supposed to call me between 8 and 4 to get me an appointment, so that's nice. I definitely won't have my stuff back for tomorrow, so I won't be able to go to work tomorrow either, but maybe I can work from home. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just kind of feel pretty off. I kind of feel like I'm starting to have the flu, if that makes sense. Like I'm just like really achy and sore, and I had a headache yesterday. I was fine when I went to work yesterday, and then I came home and it just like hit me like a ton of bricks at like 10 p.m. I was feeling so crappy and I tried to sleep it off, but it just didn't work. Luckily, I'm not super concerned just because I have had my blood work and stuff done recently, so I'm not concerned about anything like underlying. I think my body is just really run down from working so much, which is nice to know that I will get to work Monday to Friday in a few weeks and like not feel like crap anymore. But I think my body's just kind of run down, but I'd rather be on the safe side. And I'm starting to feel it physically from working so much and like stressing my body out, but I'd rather be on the safe side and just make sure it's not COVID, obviously. So I'm just waiting for them to call me back so I can make an appointment. And yeah, not sleeping because they finished nights last night, and we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch today, and I feel really bad that we can't go now because I'm getting swabbed, but obviously rather be, you know, too cautious than not cautious enough. So I'm just waiting for them to call me back. Hopefully I can go today because yeah, I mean, I don't work again in the hospital till Sunday, so it's not the end of the world. Like I work from home the rest of the week. But yeah, so I just spent the morning on the couch with Stella, relaxing. I'm just like I'm just feeling a bit run down. So yeah. But in good news, I think my Apple Watch might be coming today, so I'll be able to put that in this vlog. My tracking says it's in Ottawa. It was living in China yesterday. I don't know how it got here so quick, but my tracking says it's in Ottawa and it's going through customs right now, so I don't know if that means I'll get it today. It says by the end of the day today, so fingers crossed that I get it. But yeah, so that's my little morning update. Just had like a really cozy morning. I can still taste my coffee, which is very important, so that's good, but can't really leave the house and do anything today. I think Stella and I are just hanging, honestly. Yeah, I took the actual day off from work. Like I'm not even working from home. I just like really need to rest and like recuperate, so that's what's going on. I wanted to come on and give you guys a little morning update, but I wasn't even gonna vlog today, honestly, but this is real life and I have to be real with you guys, so I'm waiting to get a COVID swab. Yay. What time is it? 11:07. My second coffee, which is a nice coffee out of a coffee mug. I don't know why, but I just thought that was a good idea today. I'm working from home. I have like all of these, we call them elms, to do. They're just kind of like yearly certificates. I'm off sick today. I may as well catch up on that stuff. So we're gonna start with a fun one. Alrighty, I'm gonna do my yearly elms. May as well just do something while I'm, you know, off sick at home. one. Made myself a smoothie. It's so gross looking, but I swear the like yucky looking smoothies are always the best tasting. And I'm just replying to comments because I uploaded a video. Oh my god, guys, work days vlog. So I'm just replying to comments on there. Hi guys, a little update. It's currently 3-ish. I ended up going to get swabbed today. They had a spot for me, which was great. So I don't have to wait till tomorrow, and I should have my results by tomorrow afternoon now, which is super nice. Should have my results by this time tomorrow, which is nice. But I'm just relaxing. I'm on the last episode of Emily in Paris and I'm so sad. Alrighty guys, I just made myself a snack. I'm having some NRC, which is ironic because I'm not feeling good, but I typically just have this when we travel. And I just sometimes when I'm craving orange juice, I like to drink it because I just really like the taste of it. But I mean, it wouldn't harm me right now to have some vitamin C in me. So having that, having a little situation, crackers, some hot salami, some brie, and some TikTok peppers. That's like my little snack. I don't want to eat too much. Afternoon snacky. Alrighty guys, I just woke up from a nap and Matt and I are having takeout dinner tonight. So I got, what did I even get? It's because Popeyes is the superior food. Anyways, I'm eating some Popeyes tonight. Currently, what time is it? It's currently 6:24. And today, I guess I'll just take you guys through the things I've accomplished today because I have to find something good in the day. So, I did finish Emily in Paris today. I'm very sad that it's over. I did take a nap at my house to get swabbed. I uploaded a video. I replied to all my comments. Caught up on my brand deal emails. I did not check my work emails once today, which is, I'm really proud of myself for it because I struggle with that boundary, especially when I'm taking a sick day. So I'm very happy about that. And I feel like even though I feel like I've had a really lazy day, my body really needed it. And I still need to find things that I got done today. I cleaned the house as well. And yeah, so that's our update. I just woke up from like an hour and a half nap. Matt's gone to get our food for us because I requested a strawberry milkshake. Matt knows I like those when I don't feel good. So I'm having Popeyes and a strawberry milkshake. Thank goodness my appetite is still here because where would I be if I didn't have my appetite? So it says my food will be here by 6:55, which is in like 30 minutes, which isn't too bad. But yeah, that's my update for the night. I'll probably chat with you guys tomorrow just because we're gonna go home and eat and then I think watch Grace all night. I'm feeling better tomorrow and I get my results back, and yeah, but I was supposed to work in person tomorrow, so at least I have tomorrow like the whole day off, which is actually kind of nice to like just hi there. I have tomorrow off, like off because I'm supposed to work at the hospital, so at least I have like just another day to relax and recoup. Which is weird because I feel like you guys don't want to see this content, like me not working, but you guys totally do. I just need to get it out of my head. So, but anyways, that's my update and I will see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It is currently 11:45. I'm just picking up the camera now. I had a really relaxing morning. Matt let me sleep in, which was so nice. He got up with Stella and I slept until about 9, which I haven't done in so long. It was so needed. I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm just like still very achy and like what feeling, but like I don't have a headache, I don't have any chest pain, I'm not short of breath. I just kind of feel a bit run down, which I kind of think is attributed to working too much. So we'll see. It's 11:45 like I said, so my results should be back in a few hours. My Apple Watch is out for delivery, which is really exciting, which means we'll unbox it in today's video. And Matt just took Stella for a walk, but I obviously can't leave the house at all. Even if you're waiting to get swabbed, if you are waiting to get swabbed, you're symptomatic or you are positive, you cannot leave your house in Canada. You can get a $5,000 fine a day here in Canada, so that's insane. So I haven't left the house. Obviously you can like go get swabbed, but that's it. So I'm in the house. I think I'm gonna start cleaning though. I do have a bit of energy today, but I feel really like run down and like achy, so that's fun. I might just have the flu, hopefully not COVID. But yeah, it's my morning update. Just oh, we hit 14K this morning. I woke up and I realized we hit that and it was so exciting. Like we literally hit 13K a week ago. I'm mind blown. Thank you guys so much. I love each and every one of you. I feel like I probably don't look excited, but it's just because I'm so tired and sick. But thank you so much to each and every one of you. I can't believe it. It's mind blowing, honestly. So I had a coffee, relaxed, responded to comments, edited this video a little bit, and I think I'm gonna clean like the bathrooms and stuff. So You guys love cleaning content, so I'm gonna take you guys along and clean the house. I just got a podcast going and we're gonna clean. If you guys are new to my channel, I love Method cleaning products. Sponsor me, Method. So we use and then that, we don't really use that one too much. This is the glass cleaner that we use. And then we do use this one in the bathrooms. It's a minty one, but I love the smell of this one. It's bamboo. It's literally their best scent. And then I also just use the Method toilet cleaner. So yeah, you guys saw that I cleaned kind of like the living room and stuff yesterday. So today's bathroom day. My outfit is very, very casual, but I wanted to like actually try and get dressed today. Don't mind my hair, I need to take a shower, but I'm just wearing this oversized flannel from American Eagle, just my American Eagle oversized tee, and then some Lulu Aligns. So that's my outfit, and it looks pretty clean, but I just like to give everything like a wipe down weekly. So we're gonna do that, clean the mirrors, and yeah. Every 6 seconds I am checking for a COVID swab.